Formal na nga gibuksan ni Presidente Rodrigo Duterte ang pinakamodernong cancer diagnostic and treatment facilities niadtong Biyernes, sulod mismo sa compound sa Southern Philippines Medical Center. Ang pasilidad dili lang alang sa mga taga Davao kundi alang sa tanang nanginahanglan niini, labi na sa taga Mindanao. Ang pasilidad gilantaw nga dakong tabang sa mga pamilya nga nag-ilaid ug naglisod sa pagpatambal sa ilang kabanay nga dunay cancer. Ang modernong pasilidad gilangkuban sa mga musunod: 78 million single photo emission computed tomography nuclear imaging facility, 120 million positron emission tomography scan, ug 230 million 24 mega electron volt medical cyclotron facility. Sa iyang mensahe, mao kini ang pamulong ni Presidente Rodrigo Duterte.
It gives me immense pleasure to join you for the inauguration of the Cancer Diagnostic Institute Building and Cancer Treatment Center here at the Southern Philippines Medical Center. This feat makes me glad, for it is indeed a huge leap that will help address the health needs of our people. I thus laud the SPMC, the Department of Health, and all private partners for investing in the improvement of the health care services in the region. No longer will our cancer patients need to travel far just to receive the necessary treatment and care. The accessibility of modern health care facilities, particularly those that cater to cancer patients, will surely help ease the burden carried by patients and their families. I am confident, together with the devotion of the medical frontliners, this project will make a long-lasting and life-changing impact in the healthcare sector and in the lives of the generations of Mindanao. As we welcome the launching of these centers, I urge our medical practitioners all over the Philippines to give the necessary attention to non-COVID-19 cases whose treatment may have been delayed or affected due to restrictions we have to impose. Indeed, it is also my hope that public and private hospitals across the country will be inspired to further improve their services to our fellow Filipinos. Indeed, this project will have a long-lasting positive effect in addressing public healthcare concerns in the region and in the lives of many of our kababayan.
Malipayon ang katawhan sa Mindanao tungod kay gihatagan usab sa presidente og dakong suporta ang Mindanao. Sa iyang termino, isip Presidente, mukanaog na ang Pangulo sa Hunyo 30 apan magpabilin ang mga proyekto nga gihatag sa iyang administrasyon sa katawhan. Noreen Michelle Igonia, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region. Stay safe.